Have you ever thrown away an overripe banana thinking it was useless? If so, you've just tossed out something incredibly valuable. When bananas turn black and mushy, most people assume they've gone bad. But the truth is, those overripe bananas are packed with potential. In today's video, we're going to show you several clever ways to reuse bananas that are far too ripe to eat. Whether they're spotted, squishy, or almost liquid, don't rush to the trash bin just yet. Let's turn waste into something surprisingly useful. Did you know that banana peels are packed with nutrients that can be incredibly beneficial for your plants if you use them the right way? Let's start with something simple yet surprisingly effective. First, peel the banana and separate the peel from the fruit. But don't throw away the banana itself. We'll use that in the next tip. For now, focus on the peel. Take that banana peel and place it at the bottom of your planting pot. Lay it flat or tear it into smaller pieces if you're working with a small container. Then, cover the peel with a layer of soil. What happens next is where the magic begins. As the peel slowly breaks down over time, it releases valuable nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium directly into the soil. These nutrients help strengthen plant roots, support flower and fruit production, and improve overall plant health. And because the peel decomposes gradually, it acts like a slow-release fertilizer feeding your plant steadily without overwhelming it. Once you've added the soil on top, simply plant your seedling or potted plant like you normally would. That's it. You've just created a natural, chemical-free fertilizer right at the base of your plant. It's a low-effort, zero-waste way to nourish your garden, and it all starts with something most people throw away. Now let's talk about the part of the banana that most people throw away once it's too ripe to eat, the flesh. If your bananas have gone completely mushy or even black, don't toss them. You can actually turn them into something valuable for your garden. Start by grabbing a container. It doesn't matter what material it's made of: plastic, glass, ceramic, anything will work, as long as it has a lid or can be covered. Next, take the overripe banana and cut it into small pieces using a knife. The smaller the pieces, the easier they'll break down later. While you're cutting, let's take a moment to appreciate just how nutrient-rich bananas really are. They're full of potassium, magnesium, and natural sugar sol, of which are great for promoting healthy plant growth, especially flowering and fruiting. Once you've finished chopping, drop the banana pieces into your container. Now it's time to mash them. You can use a rolling pin, the back of a spoon, a fork, or really anything you have on hand. The goal here is to turn the banana into a thick, mushy paste. When the banana is nicely mashed, add some water to the container. Don't fill it all the way to the top. Leave some room for the mixture to expand as it ferments. After adding the water, give the mixture a good stir to make sure everything blends together well. Now, cover the container tightly and set it aside to ferment for about 5 to 7 days. During this time, the mixture will start to break down even further, releasing more nutrients. Every 3 days, be sure to open the container briefly. This is an important step, allows the gases created during fermentation to escape, and prevents pressure from building up inside the container. As the mixture ferments, the natural sugars and enzymes in the banana transform into a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. It's like giving your plants a boost of energy, using only things you would have otherwise thrown away. After about a week, you'll notice some solids floating on the surface. At this point, scoop out and discard the solid pieces. Then, strain the liquid through a fine mesh or cloth to separate the juice from any leftover pulp. And there you have it, a homemade banana-based fertilizer that's rich, natural, and ready to use. Quick question, where are you watching this from? Drop a comment and let us know. We'd love to hear where our garden-loving viewers are tuning in from. Now, to use this banana water on your plants, you'll want to dilute it before spraying. Grab a clean spray bottle and fill it with half water and half of your fermented banana liquid. That's a 1.1 ratio. Why dilute it? Because the fermented banana water is quite concentrated, and using it directly could be too intense for some plants. By diluting, you make it gentler and safer for regular use. Shake the bottle well before each use to make sure everything is mixed. Then, go ahead and spray it directly onto the soil or around the base of your flowers. If you enjoy growing flowers at home, give this a try. You might be surprised at how much brighter and healthier your blooms become. One quick note: avoid using this banana fertilizer too often. Overfeeding your plants can actually cause harm, a condition known as fertilizer shock. Once every week or two is more than enough to keep your garden happy. And just like that, you've transformed a rotten banana into a powerful homemade plant booster. No waste, no chemicals, just nature doing its thing. Banana peels are truly a hidden gem when it comes to gardening. They're packed with essential nutrients that plants absolutely love. One easy way to use them is to cut the peels into small pieces. The smaller you cut them, the faster they'll break down and release their nutrients. Once chopped, you can mix the pieces directly into the soil before planting. Another simple option is to bury them around the base of existing plants. Just dig a shallow trench or hole near the roots and cover the peels with soil. As the peels decompose, they release potassium, phosphorus, and other minerals that help stimulate flowering and fruit production. They also boost your plant's natural resistance to pests and disease. So don't underestimate those banana peels. With just a few quick steps, you can give your plants a powerful, all-natural boost straight from your kitchen scraps. Did you know that with just a few simple ingredients and a banana peel, you can get rid of cockroaches in your home without using any harsh chemicals? Here's how it works. Start by cutting a banana peel into small pieces. The riper the banana was, the better cockroaches are especially drawn to that strong, sweet scent. Next, place the chopped peels into a small container or box. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Why baking soda? Because when cockroaches ingest it, it reacts with the natural acids in their digestive system. This reaction creates gas, which their bodies can't release, causing them to bloat and eventually die. To make the bait even more irresistible, add a small amount of honey. Just a spoonful will do. The honey enhances the sweetness and helps hold everything together. Once you've added the honey, mix the ingredients thoroughly until they're well combined. Now, cover the container, but don't seal it completely. Leave the lid slightly open so the scent can escape and attract the cockroaches. Place this trap in areas where you often see roaches: under the sink, behind appliances, in dark corners, or near trash bins. Let the trap sit overnight and check it in the morning. For best results, replace the mixture with a fresh batch every 2 to 3 days. Cockroaches are highly attracted to sweet smells, especially the scent of overripe bananas. That's what makes this natural bait so effective. They come for the sweetness and unknowingly consume the baking soda. It's a simple, chemical-free solution that's easy to make and surprisingly effective. Give it a try and say goodbye to roaches for good. And there you have several smart, practical ways to give overripe bananas a second life. From nourishing your plants with the natural fertilizers to keeping your home free of pests, every part of the banana has hidden value just waiting to be used. Instead of tossing them in the trash, try one of these methods and see the difference for yourself. You'll reduce waste, save money, and create a healthier environment for both your home and your garden. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, eco-friendly ideas. Have you tried any of these banana hacks before, or do you have your own to share? Let us know in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.